Hey everyone! In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to transfer your CapCut projects from your mobile phone to your PC. Let's jump right in. First, make sure you have the CapCut app open on both your mobile phone and PC. You will need to sign in on the desktop app before you can transfer any projects. On your desktop, sign into CapCut. You can do this through your email or by scanning a QR code. In this tutorial, we're using the QR code option. So let's click on the QR code option to generate the code. On your mobile app, tap Me at the bottom right, then tap the three lines at the top right corner. Next, tap Scan, and scan the QR code that's on your desktop screen. Once you've signed in, head back to your mobile app. Now go to your projects on the mobile app. Tap the three dots next to the project you want to transfer. Select Upload to Space. This will save your project in the cloud so you can access it from your desktop. Now head back to your CapCut desktop app, click on Space, and you will see the project you just uploaded from your mobile app right here. And guess what? This project works the other way around too. Let me show you how to transfer projects from your PC to your mobile. On your desktop app, go to your projects, click the three dots next to the project you want to transfer. Then click Upload to save it to your space. Now on your mobile app, tap Library at the bottom. Then tap Space and select Projects. You will see the project you just transferred from your PC right here. And that's it! Transferring CapCut projects between your mobile and desktop is super easy. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.